Boy Abunda, binutasan ang statement ni Maris Sakal. Tila nabasa ng TV host na si Boy Abunda ang isip ng publiko kaugnay sa mga binitawang salita ng aktres na si Maris Sakal ukol sa kinasasangkutan nitong cheating scandal kasama ang ka-love team na si Anthony Jennings. Sa kanyang show na Fast Talk, inihayag ni Boy na duda siya sa sinabi ni Maris na hindi nito alam na may relasyon pa sina Anthony at ex-girlfriend itong si Jam Villanueva nang pumasok siya sa eksena. Ito ang statement ni Boy. Doon sa iyong statement, Maris, okay na sana ako. I really thought it was a heartfelt statement and I felt you. Naramdaman kita. This is probably one of your lowest points. Somehow you're a friend and I wish you all the best. May isa lang sabit sa akin. May isang butas lang doon sa statement. Nung sinabi mo wala kang kaalam-alam, meron kayong exchange ng text messages ni Anthony na delete tayo. Can you delete screenshots and messages? Sagot ni Anthony, alam mo hindi pa naman ako nag-delete. This is paraphrasing. Pero gets mo kung bakit kailangan nating mag-delete? And then there was a line in that conversation that said, someday, hindi tayo kinakailangang mag-delete. Hindi tayo kinakailangang magtago. So to say that you didn't have any knowledge that they were still together made you kina-question ko as an audience and as a commentator. Yun lamang po, but ako'y humahanga doon sa bravery ni Maris. Punto ni Boy.